Here's how you can share your itinerary easily. Select your route and click Search Flights. On your preferred flight, click Copy Itinerary. Click Book Now and select I accept. Review the flight details. To share the itinerary, choose email or WhatsApp. Enter the email address or mobile number and click Submit. Your itinerary details are now shared on the selected option. Thank you for using akbartravelsonline.com.